Okay, welcome back everybody. I'm going to take the Potensic Atom SE up. It's going to be a very quick flight, and all this is going to do is show you guys what it looks like and how it flies in its cinematic mode. And we do have it in its cinematic mode now. So again, going to be a very short video, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and take it up in the air. So don't go away. Okay, we're ready. He's got it up. And it is flying. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Probably not. But he's going to go ahead and take it up. Yep. Oh, there's nothing above you. Just go up. When you take it up, Noah, you're going to go that way towards the canal. So basically all he's going to do is he is going to go that way, and he's going to take it down to the canal. I actually flew it down there yesterday and flew it all the way to the canal. At least 300 feet. How high are you?
Right now, 180.
200 feet.
All right, 200.
Okay, so right now he's going to do a real slow circle just to give you an idea of our surroundings. And then once he comes back facing towards the river or the creek again, the creek down that way, he's going to go ahead and take it down. Okay, so face it towards the other, down that way. No, that way. That way. Right down the road, you're going to go down. Okay, well, the first thing, I want you to go ahead and show them how the camera faces up, or how it faces down. Oh, you did? Okay. Then, yeah, turn it down and follow this road out. if you have it, you know, if you're kind of screwed up where you're at. There you go. Now you're pointed at the river. There he goes. I am going to try to keep my eye on it. I can see it going. You just keep going. I got my eye on it. It looks like a big bird. I can see it perfectly, so just keep on going. Don't worry about your distance. Trust me, if you get too far, it'll automatically send the drone home. That's why it updates its settings. I can still see it, knowing you were way out there. Yeah, good. Keep going. I can see it. It's a black dot. Keep going till you get to, you know, like the canal, and then turn your.
Past the canal. I'm over to the river.
Oh, cool. Turn your camera straight down so you can actually see the river.
I'm not above it right now.
Okay.
I see the end of the canal, or where it goes underneath.
He's actually flying it all the way down to the river, and there's a canal down there too. It's about, what'd you say, no, a quarter mile?
What, to the river? Or
Yeah,
to
to the river.
Well, right now I'm 1,400 feet. I just hit the edge of the river.
Okay, so he's right at the edge of the river. So as the crow flies, it's 1,400 feet from right here. So, okay, do a, can you see the river?
I'm above it. I'm doing a little look of it.
Oh, cool. That's so cool. Again, guys, this is not going to be a very long video. I'm just going to let Noah play around with it a little bit and then bring it home. Let you guys kind of see how it looks, its flight characteristics, you know, in cinematic mode. Again, this is not a DJI Mavic Mini, okay? It's not. But then again, it's $300. I think $350 for the Fly More kit. DJI Mavic Mini, the newest one out right now, sells for $700 and some for the Fly More kit, like $750. I think it has 4K now. My original DJI Mavic Mini, that's the one I have, it only had 2K, video. So there you go. But you guys can see what the video quality looks like on this. All right, so what I want you to do now, Noah, just hit the home button, and I want it to come home on its own. And then once it lands, if you want to play with it, just go ahead and play with it.
What button's the home button?
Okay, see this right here?
Is someone to take it off button?
Yep. All you gotta do is go like this.
Okay. Return.
Return to home.
first.
Yep.
Return.
Returning.
So now he just hit the return swipe the button on it. You just swipe it. And I want to see how close it lands to where it took off from.
It is pretty windy.
Yeah, oh, it's not windy right here where we're at, but as you get up, it gets windy. So you do want to keep that in mind. Is it coming?
Should be able to see it. Should be above Danny's house now. I hear it.
Oh, that's right. It went. That's right. When it returns to home, it goes. There it is. I see it. Here it comes.
Yep.
Trust me. No, it'll land right out here. Yeah, see, it's missing the wires. Right where it took off from, Noah. All right, well, there you go. I'm gonna tell you what, it actually landed, I would say within a foot, maybe a foot and a half from where it took off at. So kudos to this drone, man. That is pretty cool. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I can highly recommend it to any of you out there. It's at least half price of the DJI Mavic Mini. I don't know what the newest one is now, 2 or 3. But again, it's at least half price. And it's got 4K capabilities, 2K, 1080p, all that. It does have circle you mode, follow me mode, that big spiral mode, it's got that. I think that's all it has for those options on it. But yeah, there you go. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget, I do have other videos coming, but I am trying to stretch these videos out to give me something to do, you know, because all you guys are suffering with the way this world is just as bad as I am right now, financially. So you guys know what it's like. And it takes money to get tech, listen, one-sided, tech items to do reviews on. So, but they are coming. So I want to thank all of you out there for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Oh, no, thank you for helping me out. So, big thank you to Noah for helping me out. So, all right, guys, we'll see you.